Once upon a time, in a blooming meadow filled with wildflowers and friendly insects, a young bee named Buzzy was born. The meadow was a beautiful place, teeming with life and color, changing its hues with each passing season. Buzzy was a curious and energetic little bee, always buzzing around, exploring the vast meadow. In the spring, the meadow was a riot of colors, with wildflowers blooming everywhere. Buzzy loved the sight of the vibrant flowers and the sweet nectar they provided. One day, while collecting nectar, Buzzy found a hidden patch of the most delicious flowers. Excited, he decided to keep it a secret, wanting all the sweet nectar for himself. As summer arrived, the meadow turned into a lush green paradise. Buzzy continued to visit his secret patch, enjoying the sweet nectar all by himself. However, he started noticing that his friends were having trouble finding enough nectar. They were growing weaker, while Buzzy was thriving. This made Buzzy feel guilty, but he still couldn't bring himself to share his secret. When fall came, the meadow transformed into a canvas of warm hues. The flowers were fewer, and finding nectar became even more challenging. One day, Buzzy's best friend, a butterfly named Flutter, was too weak to fly. Seeing his friend struggle, Buzzy realized the importance of honesty and sharing. He understood that by keeping the secret patch to himself, he was causing harm to his friends. With a heavy heart, Buzzy confessed his secret to Flutter and the other insects. He showed them the hidden patch of flowers, apologizing for his dishonesty. His friends were initially surprised, but appreciated Buzzy's honesty. They forgave him, and together they enjoyed the sweet nectar from the secret patch. As winter approached, the meadow turned into a serene white landscape. The insects huddled together, sharing their food and warmth. Buzzy, having learned his lesson, was now the most honest and sharing bee in the meadow. He understood that honesty was not just about telling the truth, but also about doing what is right and fair. From then on, Buzzy always chose honesty over deceit. He became a beloved member of the meadow community, respected for his integrity. The meadow, with its changing seasons, continued to be a beautiful home for Buzzy and his friends, reminding them of the importance of honesty and sharing. And so, the story of the Meadow of Honesty teaches us that honesty is the best policy. It might seem tempting to keep secrets or tell lies for personal gain, but in the end, honesty leads to stronger relationships and a happier life.